Good morning, dear children. I welcome you all in English classroom, and today we will discuss another topic from chapter number 4, verb expressing the future, that is future continuous. Children, yesterday we have discussed simple future, and I hope that you don't have any doubt and queries related to that topic, isn't it? All right. Let us start the video and discuss future continuous tense. Children, we make future continuous tense with subject plus will be plus ing form of the verb. Children, will be and shall be, these two are the helping verbs for future continuous. But as I have told you that shall we will use when there is a doubt. Okay, so we will continue with will be. Okay, children, let us understand future continuous with the help of example. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. I will be driving to Lucknow. Children, let us see this sentence on the timeline. Children, if I say like this, tomorrow at 6 p.m. I will be driving to Lucknow, it means that tomorrow at 4 p.m. In the evening, okay, I'm going to start driving, okay, to Lucknow. All right. It will take me many hours to get there, but at 6 o'clock. But exactly at 6 o'clock, I'll be doing the activity that is driving. Fine, children? See again. The example is tomorrow at 6 p.m. I'll be driving to Lucknow. It means that tomorrow at 4 p.m. in the evening, I am going to start driving. Alright, means it will take many hours to get there, but exactly at 6 o'clock, I'll be doing the activity. What is that activity? That is driving. Okay, children? So the future continuous tense expresses an action that will be ongoing, or you can say that will be in progress at some time in future. Alright, children? Okay, here's another example. At this time, next Monday, we will be celebrating your birthday. Okay, so at this time, next Monday means today is Monday, and we are talking about next Monday. We will be celebrating your birthday. Again, the same thing means at this point of time, we will be celebrating birthday. All right, children. Now let us see another example. Children, for example, some of your friends are planning to go to see a movie. Okay, and one of them asked you that, do you want to come with us to the movies on Saturday evening? Okay, so you said, no, I can't. I'll be working until late. Alright, so until late means until late at night. Okay, late at night. Until late means late at night. So let us see this on the timeline. Children, if you will see this sentence on the timeline, it means that you have an afternoon shift on Saturday. Alright, and that Saturday, you will be in your office doing your work, so you cannot go to the movie. Alright, this is the use of future continuous. So at this point of time, you will be in your office and you will be working, so you cannot go to movie. Alright, this is future continuous tense. I hope, children, you are getting my points. that now just see what is the exact use. We were discussing about that in future continuous we always express an action which will be in progress at given moment in the future. So at given moment in the future we will be driving. At given moment in future we will be celebrating birthday. At given moment I'll be working. Alright? I hope children you are getting my point. Okay. But children, sometimes we use this tense to talk about fixed or routine events in the future also. Okay? So let us understand that also. This is the second use of future continuous. Now let us understand with the help of examples. I'll be staying at hotel in Lucknow. Children, you know that I am going to Lucknow, right? We have discussed that I will be driving to Lucknow, all right? So, you know that I am going, okay? I'm going to Lucknow. So, now I am saying that I am staying at hotel in Lucknow. Like this, I'll be staying at hotel in Lucknow. If we are talking about this, then this is the fixed arrangement. Okay, this is the fixed arrangement. Means we know that we are going to stay in a hotel. Alright, so this is the fixed arrangement and it has the same meaning as saying I am going to stay at hotel in Lucknow and I am staying at hotel in Lucknow. Both are same. Although we can say that these three are same. Okay, all of these forms are correct in this case if we have fixed arrangement. So the rule says that we use this tense to express an action that is fairly certain to happen in future. Okay, so when we talk about fixed or routine events in the future, okay, so we will use future continuous. I hope children you are getting my point, and as I always tell you that if you are not getting, if you have any queries, any doubt regarding the topic, please write down in the comment box. Okay, one more example at a workplace. Let us see this example first. I am going to cafeteria. Do you want me to bring you a coffee? Children, one colleague said to another that I am going to cafeteria. Do you want me to bring coffee? Okay. So the reply is thanks, but don't bother. I'll be going there in a little while myself. Okay. So children, see, it's a routine thing that I do this or I do at this time every day. This is the routine thing. Means I am going and now I am asking. So this is the routine thing I do at this time every day. Okay. So if I'll say like this, I am going there in a little while myself. Okay. I am going. If we use am going in place of will be, that is also correct. That is also correct. Alright children. Now let us understand this example also. Next week we will be shifting to our new house. This is similar to the previous one. Okay. We will be shifting means action that is fairly certain to happen in future. So you can say we will be shifting also, and you can say like this also, we are shifting. Okay. Next week we are shifting to our new house. This is absolutely correct. Alright children. Children, that is all for future continuous. We shall meet in the next video and we will have another topic, that is future perfect. And then we'll move towards the another topic, that is future perfect continuous. And most probably I'll give you the video of that PPT, and that will help you to understand all the tenses properly. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, wash your hands regularly. Thank you for watching, children. Have a nice day.